The impact of not excelling yourself. Love self. You must be familiar with hearing both from social media and from posters camping about loving yourself. There must be some of you who have questions like this. Next, do you love yourself? Why is self-love important? What does it mean to love yourself? Okay, hello my friend. Introduce me to Ulan Adekantari. Allow me to live my present, which will is about loving yourself. Next, the question alludes to only merely a positive self-image, not in self-love. Often we love our parents, spouses, children, what the hobbies, but forget to love ourselves. Whereas loving ourselves is the number one key for us start earning and be loving ourselves. We can also know with ability that are reaching us the earning context because no one will understand of love yourself more than ourselves. First of all, I want to build what friend think about loving yourself. According to you, what is the definition of loving yourself? And have you start with loving yourself? If no, on answer, it explains it little about love self. I definition of self-love, how you can love yourself, the effect what we can love yourself. Next, definition of self-love. If we can love ourselves, then how can love us did? The mind sounds simple, but the word we can understand this claim we will realize the will ourselves next to love, not from other people, but stand for ourselves first formally. You must often build yourself, loving yourself, especially in today modern era where many people talk about self-love on social media. These are varied favors with people who give inspiration about self-love as to websites, YouTube, poster, and so in loving yourself is self-love. That is meaning that we want to love ourselves. We must also know ourselves. First one, we when can know ourselves. With that, we can know how to make ourselves happy and how we can respect ourselves because the we have explained ourselves. Then then we will friend extra to pick for our happiness because remember our happiness can all be created by ourselves. If we don't make ourselves happy, then can we be happy? Next, the star saving love you also have to start know yourself. Please, but many people they even know themselves. The art The artists were to be some also to love great and cool to stay live in so of order. This can happen because the lack confidence is disabled and to feel that they not my monitoring special that they can be proud. Also they three be someone else to say can you know, but they forget that every human being has potential and special what is given by God. So this we can to go to know yourself. Number one, when you understand you attract and the selfless that you have. This aims to make you more assured to deliver our potential and can learn from the shortcoming we have and also as evaluation and we can get out from our comfort zone so that we can deliver and cause better good. 2. Look for activities that you like, the activities that you are good at. 3. Be honest with yourself. The we express your farmers perspective than self or self, but from our personality, identity, and core extents. Being honest with yourself is important. Where we feel confident of Roosevelt so we don't have to fear it anymore. Giving giving space for yourself, moreover, where we need to be alone or need time for a moment so that we can get to know our personality better also evaluate yourself. What thing can make us happy and what thing can make us happy? Involved with our mental health. Next, what you know, you will be able to love yourself because when you can love yourself, our mental health will be mainly because the we ourselves we will look colder because we know that is something special with us. Although I know what we learn to love ourselves is to not is I say as we love ourselves. There are several variations so wanting to look perfect so we can express yourself. We try to always we to look perfect even they include hurting ourselves because we cannot expense the effort we have put in. But when we can love yourself, the positive impact you get mentally, sama happy. We will be more able to express with the word or word we have because we really know our weakness. We limit so we'll remove the something can become your stake with having to force yourself to let provide. 2. Be confident. We build more confidence they can express yourself while next be insecure, overthinking because it's unnecessary. It will on further on men's only. We will happier 3. We will happy because we can ourselves in better person. Why? When we love ourselves, we will actually understand ourselves better. Next. But in fact, if you can express yourself in for introvert, I relationship will not happen is there is honestly yourself human is social beings is live captain net connection. If you can love yourself, you want that connection with connection. Live will very look very. Their depressy, on simple way love yourself is gratitude. Do you don't love yourself? It's like that you will find difficult to be loved by others. Where you don't go out keeps artists internationally and all way to continue is will make your traffic is depressing with that infinite is the part the action about living in the future. The stories created by on mindset can best them to mental health. Will never feel good enough. Next, what you know love yourself is make you feel constantly difficult and insecure and will often wonder if you are good enough. The mind that you don't respect yourself to affirm the side positive word in front of the mirror. So I love you. I accept you as you are. That what will become I mindset and slowly you will learn to love yourself. Remember, remember, loving yourself is not bad selfish that but something that our individuals self-respect was looking to really on other. Thank you.